He described for me how he thought masturbation was a safe sex of the 90s, and he keeps talking about it. Then he went on to...
Wait a second, excuse me. That's wrong.
You are about to enter the courtroom of Judge Judith Scheinlin. The people are real. The cases are real. The rulings are final. This is her courtroom. This is Judge Judy.
All parties on Duncan versus Fox. Step forward, please.
Landlord Angus Duncan says he paid Catherine Fox's rent and gave her money. Now he wants it all back. She says he was trying to buy sexual favors.
Order. All rise, please. Judge, this is number 72 on the calendar in the matter of Duncan versus Fox.
Thank you.
You may be seated.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
He was a generous landlord, but she says he wanted more than the rent. Judge Judy returns in a moment.
He told me to get really sexy pictures. He told me to go to Victoria's Secrets and buy a bra, bring him the receipt, and he would pay for it. He said for me to get my breasts up by my face and that would make me act.
Landlord Angus Duncan says he paid Catherine Fox's rent and gave her money. Now he wants it all back. She says he was trying to buy sexual favors.
So what happened next? Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
He was a generous landlord, but she says he wanted more than the rent. Judge Judy returns in a moment.
She proceeded to have a wild affair with Damon Mintz in which she spent most all of her time with this guy in the front
While Chevis was
unit.
there?
Landlord Angus Duncan says he paid Catherine Fox's rent and gave her money. Now he wants it all back. She says he was trying to buy sexual favors.
He is my landlord.
Miss
Who do
Fox,
you care who I date?
She's ready to rule in a moment.
Your countersuit, madam, is dismissed. That's all.
Parties are excused. Step out, please.
He put me through hell. I loved that place. I wanted to stay there. I wanted to live there. I'd have been there for a year. Now I have an eviction, or what he called TRW. I have an eviction on my record. I'm only 21. So, you know, I didn't want all that to happen. I didn't want to have to leave.
She chose to sneak out. She left the place an absolute filthy mess. I've never seen anything like it. The toilet, the tub was black. She snuck out in the middle of the night. She didn't inform me. There's a clause in the lease, which is a 30-day written notice. It's a California state law. She didn't do any of that. That's why she lost, because she didn't follow the rules.